Ever notice conversations just go quiet? Or wonder why some friendships gently drift apart? It's tough to ask, but could we be unintentionally putting people off? What if subtle signals are making us, well, a little less approachable?
Today, we're revealing 10 hidden signs you might be unknowingly annoying and giving you hacks to boost your social magic. First up, the one-upping habit. Someone shares a story, and you immediately jump in with a better one. This isn't about competing, it's about connecting. Hack: try a genuine follow-up question instead of topping their tale. But what if you're the only one talking? That's next.
Second hidden sign, the conversation dominator. Ever realize you did 90% of the talking? True connection is a two-way street. Hack: the 5-second rule. After you speak, pause for 5 seconds. It creates space for others.
Hidden sign number 3, poor listening skills. Are you listening to understand or just for your turn to speak? People feel valued when heard. Hack: active listening. Nod, make eye contact, and briefly summarize. So, if I'm understanding correctly...
Hidden sign number 4, unsolicited advice. We think we're helping, but sometimes people just want to vent, not be fixed. Hack: ask, are you looking for advice or just a vent? It gives them control.
Hidden sign number 5, constant complaining or negativity. Sharing struggles is fine, but constant complaints drain energy. People like positive vibes. Heck, solution-oriented sharing. If you complain, follow with, and here's what I'm doing about it, or what do you think could help?
Hidden sign number 6, lack of emotional self-awareness. Does your mood rub off on others? We sometimes project stress without realizing it. Hack: do a quick mood check-in before social situations. How am I feeling? How might that come across? Adjust.
Hidden sign number 7, ignoring social cues. Missing signals, body language, eye contact, tone, they tell you if someone's losing interest. Hack: observer mode. For 10 minutes a day, just observe nonverbal cues. It builds social intelligence.
Hidden sign number 8 is inconsistent boundaries. Sometimes you let people walk all over you. Other times, you lash out. This confuses people. Hack: the boundary script. Decide your boundaries beforehand and practice a polite phrase, I appreciate you asking, but I won't be able to. Hidden sign number 9, inability to admit when you're wrong. Everyone errs, but constantly defending yourself even when wrong erodes trust. Hack: the humble acknowledgement. A simple, you know what, you're right, my mistake. It builds respect. Hidden sign number 10, over-the-top enthusiasm at the wrong time. Enthusiasm is great, but in serious or calm moments, it can seem insincere or overwhelming. Hack: read the room. Before reacting, gauge the mood and energy. Adjust your response to match. So, these aren't flaws, they're growth opportunities. If you want more real talk and practical strategies to navigate life's challenges, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you. Keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.